people in the garage are going to be like, what are these lads
Is this
doing?
USA that's doing? We're in Wales.
Yeah. I don't know what for.
We've literally just jumped out of the car and we're walking up a hill to buy something, and Matt has no clue what it looks like.
No idea. It's another common theme actually. I always have no idea what's happening at like lots of these events.
I know. And if it's not become obvious, I tend to buy stupid things quite often.
Look at our view, by the way.
Yeah. This is literally the sea behind us. We've
Really
come to
nice.
Wales.
Yeah, so all I know, this is a bit of a project that we're going to be working on. I know vaguely what it is, but apparently it's quite a scene to behold.
Yeah, I'm just waiting until we see it. It's gonna come out of nowhere. It's gonna definitely stand out.
So yeah, that's all I know so far. It's a van that we're going to potentially turn into a bit of a project.
Yeah. I've always wanted a van, never owned one. And then since coming back from Scotland, I've got this like
The bug.
bug, yeah. You're looking at
Exactly the
discoveries,
same,
yeah. Matt's looking at discoveries and I've been looking at vans. Good Lord, this is a hill.
Quite an incline, this, isn't it?
Jesus. Let's just check we're going the right way. I don't really know how we've done it with miles away.
Never a dull moment.
We've been walking for literally 30 seconds and we've gone the wrong way. We've gone past it, it's in that next one.
Carbs are burning.
Trying to
innit?
find a van. It doesn't look steep, it's bloody steep, this. It's gotta be that.
Yeah, it's going to be there, isn't it? Thought I had an electric car.
Yeah. Alright. Yep. We've still not found it. It's gonna be in there, I think. It's
Sounds good.
You ready for this?
Yeah. Tell me when to look.
Look now.
Oh wow.
Hi mate.
Trumpmobile.
The Trumpmobile.
Get in, Pete.
Fine. Can you
What's it like? Flick that little thing there. Right, try it now. Try the outside handle.
might have to get on your side.
You have to like really press on this side of it.
I'll do the same. I'm gonna have to ask him. Thank you, mate. Cheers.
Take care, guys.
Thank you,
See
mate.
ya.
See you in a bit. There we go.
Oh shit, your dad's still here. See what my dad said.
Howdy. It's a pretty good van, yeah, we're fine. Are you sure you don't want to be in convoy with us?
There's a view.
Oh mate, you're in a fucking transit with a USA flag on the side.
Welcome to Roadblock TV.
I feel like I'm like,
Gear stick's like a
I've got a
monster.
pimp cane.
Talk about in at the deep end. We're now after a 3-point turn at a dead end.
It's like, you know, you've never driven a van before. Well, we're going to make it empty, so it's already light as f***. We're going to then give you the world's steepest hill to go up and down. And we're going to paint it with the USA flag, so everyone, including these people walking past, want to look at it.
And we're going to put a police car at the top of the hill to watch exactly
Yeah,
what you're
there's
doing.
literally a police car right there. Now I feel
He's
like
even
I've
got the
had
arm
that.
already.
It feels so good.
We're ready to go.
We're ready to rumble.
Living that van life.
First thing we're going to do is go past the police car. No, yeah, that's true.
Shouting, America! Yeah! And get this slackest seatbelt in the world on. Okay, we're off back home. About an hour and a half ahead of us.
How hard can it be to drive a transit? Eh? We're getting a lot of side eyes already.
I think this van's quite well known around there.
Yeah.
I think when we get back to our territory, it'll be like, what is that?
Yeah, so chap we bought it from, proper nice guy.
Yeah, nice
Like,
guy.
Really nice guy. He like told us all the ins and outs of the car. That is so basic.
My eardrums like just vibrated.
So yeah, really nice guy. Told us the ins and outs of absolutely everything to do with the van.
Topped of all the fluids and everything.
Top of the fluids. It's had new tyres on recently.
Brand new tyres.
Brand new tyres. And then yeah, we're not a fan of the paint job, but you never really know. I didn't want to offend the chap. We said, so go on then, what's the story with the paint job? We just went, I think the last guy was on crack, so it's like, yeah.
Didn't want to offend them. Look at the view we got
That
up there.
hotel. Oh, it's apartments. Wow. So, something that he mentioned about this van, about the paint job of it, was he said it became part of his personality, and he's a doorman around here in Wales. So basically it means that anyone around this area that does know this van knows it's driven by a bouncer. So yeah.
So are we going to attract someone wanting attention? Let's get out of here quick.
Please tell me a biplane just flew overhead at the same time as I braked. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Like a turbine engine.
It sounded like a Spitfire getting shot down. So we've got enough fuel to get us to the first petrol station we see, pretty much. And then we're going to go in, get ourselves some Big Macs and spill it all down the front of us so we can just complete the look.
Put the Big Mac wrappers along.
Yeah.
Daily Star.
Yeah, or just something sports if you can find one of them.
We also need a couple of mugs, like
Yeah.
mugs to put up.
And scratch cards.
Yeah, a couple of scratch cards. I think I can see the road. Daylight.
One thing you don't want to be able to see is the roads down the back of your van. We'll talk about the price and what the plan is as soon as we get a chance to stop, and we can walk everybody around this properly.
Yeah, pull over, talk you through it. You're missing out here, you know, on your luxury.
Oh shit! Feeling good, comfort level just went up. Alrighty,
We're back.
we are back. You're out of focus, you're in focus. It was a good journey.
Yeah, I think it drives well. A little bit noisy, but it is sort of.
Yeah, it was dropping the bass, this van. We
Yeah,
had
basically the back is like a sub, so all that air pressure just sort of like batters your ears as you drive. But
Yeah, we got some looks. We had one very disapproving woman looked
Yeah.
just judgmentally at us.
mustn't like America.
No.
Um,
It's not good that at this day and age you worry about even driving something with the American flag on it. That says a lot about
Yeah.
what's going on, doesn't it?
It does. It's a mad time, to be fair, and a mad time to be driving like a Trumpmobile around. But
Right, shall we have a look around this thing? Because obviously we were collecting it and trying to be, you know, very polite and everything. Really nice guy. But now's the time to have a proper look at it and just assess exactly what we've bought.
Yeah.
So he's really looked after this, actually. He's spent all the money that he needed to spend on the bits that needed doing.
yeah, so we looked at the MOT history, and there's a lot that was needed before the last MOT, and
Yeah.
basically he's had it all done. So mechanically wise, it's had stuff done to the engine, hasn't it? What was it? The
He's changed. This is good, isn't it? We've
Yeah.
both instantly forgotten what he's done to it.
Stuff
Start
like that.
motor.
brand new starter
Brand new
motor.
starter motor.
Even got the receipt for that. It had some welding as well, didn't it?
Yeah, he's had all the underneath welded. There's only a tiny bit left that looks like it could be done pretty easily
Yeah.
if we need to do it. He's put the 4 brand new tyres on it pretty much, £150 per tyre. There's a shit ton of tread on them.
Yeah, literally brand new tyres.
Yeah, there's a few things he told us about, but nothing that really is going to be a big concern.
No.
And actually, the fact that he was so honest about everything is like really reassuring, isn't it? He wasn't
Yeah.
going to hide anything. He was
No,
like, this
he
is
was
exactly what it is.
Proper honest guy. Even told us, what doesn't work, what does work, which some people might try and hide that in a car sale.
Yeah, you just get it done, didn't you? I certainly did with the Ignis.
Yeah.
Bent that key back on the morning it went, never told him. But he was going to a dodgy home, so.
Yeah.
But the chap that sold this, Really nice guy, and has said that he's going to watch this video and follow the progress, mate. So hopefully you like what we're going to do with it. Now we'll have a quick look around it and then we'll tell you exactly what the plan is actually for this.
Yeah.
So not too bad. It's been de-grilled. as Matt
De-grilled
pointed out.
already,
Yeah.
so we don't have to worry about that.
No, it's already got that nice sort of clean look.
Yeah, so we're going to maybe get some back to black on the bumpers.
Yeah, a bit of back to black. I looked on the photos and this was loose.
Yeah, it is. That looks like okay.
Yeah, just be a bolt.
We'll figure that out later on. We know what we're doing with headlights by this stage.
Yeah, we're fully on that.
Yeah, chef's hat's out.
We got a matte black fuel cap.
Yeah,
Really nice.
exactly.
To
That's
go with
an
the
optional
paint job.
extra, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think at the time it was specced with that.
Like carbon wrap. That.
What it wasn't specced with was the paint job.
Yeah. It is painted up like the American flag,
Yeah.
and we suspect with what?
Gloss house paint.
Gloss house paint, and is that like a roll? That's it's been taped.
It's been
isn't it?
taped and then rolled.
Yeah.
I think 9-inch, not 9.
Knows why? Honestly, why the f would anybody do that?
Yeah, it did have more stars as well, but some of them have gone.
Yeah, there's like sort of the like X stars on the car.
So you could actually say, is it the 2 stars and stripes that's Chile or Puerto Rico or something?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm liking this a little bit more. So yeah, this is all rough. Obviously, this is all going to come off. I mean, to be honest, I want it off within the next 24 hours. But it's going to come off soon, basically.
You can just do what they've done and just paint over it if you needed to with any sort of
It
paint.
doesn't need to be tidy. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what it looks like outside. And also, it's going to get scratched to crap and it's going to go off on adventures. So, you know, we don't need it to look perfect.
So there is actually some knacks as well to opening things on this van.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So first of all, this one, it's quite a good security thing actually because it doesn't open.
Yeah.
But if you're in the know, it's all about the thumb. So you've got to push it in with the thumb.
First time, every time.
Okay. With the thumb.
No problem at all.
If you just edit that bit. Every door does have a way of opening it.
Have a
like-
characteristic. At least it's not dented like the last car's door we bought.
Yeah, very
The
true.
Ignis, you had to bend the door back into shape.
This one also, you can't open it, but
Nope.
if you're in the know, you go to the right hand side of the lock,
Yeah.
push the thumb, you're
There
in
you
again.
go. There you go. It's like a secret code, really.
So this little pin,
Oh,
you
yeah.
can just, I think it's the same on the other doors as well, you just pull the pin.
So pull the pin and that's open. And here is the inside of the van now. It's a good time to tell you
What it's
we're going to be
actually
doing
for.
with it. And what we're going to be doing with it, Matt.
So basically, gonna turn this thing into a camper.
Yeah.
You might notice that it's the high top, so with a bit of luck, I'll be able to stand up in this.
This is the big test. Because
I'm 6'4", so I can stand up pretty well in that. I can stand up well in that.
What the hell's that?
Pipe cutter.
There are a few bonus things. Unfortunately, not a single Nickelback CD to be found. Not that it really matters if we did have one because we haven't got a radio.
No.
Again,
You threw the siren
he
in.
did throw the siren in. He said, "In case you want that," and I was like, "Obviously we do." It's a working siren.
Bum down, written on the wood.
I mean, it's a motto to live by.
And boobs out on that bit.
Wait, what the f is this?
Bum down,
You've got a picture of a
boobs up.
woman with.
Oh, I think that's when you do squats. Is it like you bum?
Boobs out, bum down.
Yeah, you meant to do like that.
Well, there we go. We've got ourselves some dumbbells, mate, and we know how to. We've got the technique.
No.
Yeah, so it's pretty big in here. It's not
Look at the space.
tidy, but it's in a working van daily, and like it's exactly what you'd expect for that. He's looked after it really well. It's just massive. It's just a big empty blank canvas, isn't it?
Yeah. Already we were potentially thinking maybe like do the spray on carpet.
Yeah, like the sort of felted carpet stuff.
Or you like the idea of timber as well, don't you? Like
At least somewhere, you know. I've seen loads that have been like sort of lined around the outside with like planks of wood, but then you border on Swedish sauna territory, so it's like
you do.
happy medium.
There's a lot of oil in here too.
And it has got the 2 sliding doors as well, so it's just now whether it's, do you use both? Do you, as Matt said, do you seal the inside so one of them is just shelves that you access from the outside only? And then, or you could do it from both actually, really.
The pantry.
The pantry, yeah, exactly. And a larder on wheels.
I love this little bit too.
Yeah, we're lucky to get this really. But I mean, obviously, also, no bulkhead, a word that Matt taught me. There's nothing between the front and the back, which I love already because it makes it a lot more motorhoming, and you can just reach into the back
Just
and
sort of like jump into the back,
do what you need to
put
do.
some curtains across at night.
Like it's just a blank canvas, a complete blank canvas.
Gonna give it a really good clean, strip the seats out, strip everything out.
You're saying jet wash the whole thing out, like
Yeah.
just make it really, really clean, give ourselves a completely, you know, fresh slate. And in the meantime, look at plans for doing stuff. So yeah, like, other than the fact that this has got a giant American flag on the side, this is an absolute steal. I paid £450 for this van, for a medium wheelbase, high top Transit. Would you say that's a bargain for what we've got?
Absolute bargain. When you think, you know, it only needs a good clean, you've got the high top. Perfect for a camper.
And this is the other side of things, is that this is going to be a budget build, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to be a budget
All about that
camper.
budget again.
I'd like to keep the whole thing under £1,000. Can you buy a van, do it up, turn it into a camper, a comfortable camper, for less than £1,000?
Yeah.
That would be nice.
Especially when most of it is going to be with, like, you know, recycled and reused materials.
Yeah. Like you say, reclaimed materials, so we're going to be scanning on eBay and Facebook Marketplace constantly, looking for bits of wood,
Yeah,
Like-
anything that's going free.
old camping gear that have come out of other motorhomes,
Yeah.
that have been in accident, all sorts really.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is one of the many things that we're going to be doing over the winter. The MR2, if you're here for the MR2, that's still ongoing, we've not forgotten about that.
Still wrapping.
It's still wrapping, it's just, as winter's getting closer and closer and it's getting colder and colder, you know, it needs 2 people to do some of these really tricky bits now, and with us both working, it's hard to get the time to do that. So he says that as we've both just driven to Wales to buy an American flag van. We are coming to that, and it will be finished hopefully before Christmas. I'm assuming it's going to be way before then, but obviously I don't want to.
Yeah, we've got a little plan that we're going to work through
Yeah.
and then drop onto this when we can.
Yeah, and then this is going to be as and when as well. So basically there's going to be lots more to go on, and nice and varied stuff. And yeah, just keeping it varied, that's what we do, isn't it? So
Yeah. It's what we do.
that's what we do. Okay, I hope you like the American flag van. Any ideas for how to kit it out? Let us know.
Yeah, and we'll get to work cleaning it.
Yeah, let's clean this bastard. Sweet, I think we've excelled ourselves this time.
Definitely.
How the hell do we top this?
I know, what the hell,
We can't
what
top
can
it.
be
Not
next?
for a while, so yeah. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one.
Cheers.
Cheers.